I'm still sickened over Trump's remarks that Hitler did good things. And Trump admires Third Reich military generals for their devotion to Hitler. Those military generals led the Holocaust and the murder of millions of people, Jewish, Romani, Sinti, and others. One of those generals, Jürgen Stroop, was tried and convicted in an Allied war crimes trial after World War II ended for having ordered the execution of captured U.S. Army Air Corps flyers. That's the sort of people who Trump likes. It's sickening. And Elon Musk the same, and J.D. Vance, the vice president, who admires the AfD, the far-right Nazi apologist party in Germany. Sickening. Liebl, my mother's uncle, who was a brother of my grandpa Harry, and he and his wife and their 2 children were murdered. They had vanished into the abyss in Berlin, where they had moved to. I've depicted them with allegorical sea monsters in an Under the Wing series artwork. A photo of Liebl and Grandpa Harry's mother, Zlata Barszewski. They grew up in a village outside of Białystok in northeast Poland. In the 1930s, she lived in the Jewish old folks' home in Białystok. She too vanished into the abyss. And she would have been in her 80s at the time of the Nazi invasion in 1939. There's a photograph of a drawing in the Under the Wing series, and the photograph I did the drawing from I called Child with Bird's Nest Scarf. The completed works about her and about this child can be seen in my website, humanrights-holocaust-art.org. People should not be silent about this horrors being perpetrated by the president, by Elon Musk, by the vice president. The only people who are applauding it, aside from some Republicans and millions who are silent, and the far right, Proud Boys, Ku Klux Klanners, and so on. Just sickening, 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 and perverse and obscene remarks by the president. His remarks are also continuation of hatred of peoples based on background, faith, ethnicity, national background, and so on. He's also virulently anti-Christian while claiming to be Christian. Nothing is further from the truth, according to pastor colleagues I've engaged in done interfaith education, teaching, and dialogue with over many years. All right, there you have it. Thank you, Veggies. I appreciate your feedback. That's a play on words. All right.